this video, we're going to be discussing the client list. What is the client list? This is where all of your tax return information is stored, or accessed, I should say. So all the returns that you have in progress, that you have incomplete, are going to be listed in this database. So I'm going to click on tax returns. Click no, I don't want to print that form. So let's walk across this top. So you can see this empty box here. What this box is waiting for is for us to give it an instruction on how we would like to search the database. If I click on any column header, you're going to see this right here change. As I click on first name, change to first name, last name. I can search by the suffix of the taxpayer, spouse's social, spouse's first name. Makes it very easy for us to go through, track a client down, and figure out what's going on with them. Okay? So if I type in social and I just start typing 111, it's going to narrow my search down for me. Makes it very, very easy for me to locate those clients. Now, if you wanted to start a brand new client, you would click on your client list and you would just start typing in the social. You would go, let that go, click enter. Do you want to create a return? This does not exist. I'm going to say no because I don't want to create the return, but that's what you would do. Now, the other cool thing about this is the ability to use this almost like a reporting functionality. So all of these little filters over to the right hand side of the column description are exactly that, filters. If you're familiar with Excel at all, you know that you have the ability to apply filters to every column header. So these are our fixed column headers, and I can go in here and click on, I just want to search for client dum-dum. Click OK, and there's my client dum-dum. Maybe you want to go with something a little more, almost grab a report. I want to look for all the returns done by a particular preparer. I want to look for all the returns done by preparer number 1. Click OK, and I can print this report. What do I want to see? I want to see the EFIN, return status, first name, and preparer code. Click OK, and boom, throws it up on my other screen, and there's my report. In addition to that, I could export it to Excel. Okay, I click export, same thing, and it's going to allow me to save it and then throw it to Excel for me. So very, very cool. Great utility. We've gotten nothing but positive feedback. The one thing I would kind of just make you aware of is that we do need to clear the filters. So we've got a number of calls throughout the year saying, I don't know what I've done. I had 200 returns in my database. I'm only seeing 4 for this one preparer. What's going on? So if you don't clear the filters, it's only going to keep looking at those. It tells you when that you have a filter on when the item is bolded. So it lets you know right away. Let's just take a look at it. You can see that this turns dark black. That lets you know you got a filter on. Cool? So that is the client list. In addition to that, something else that's really cool, if you had notes in a return for a client and you're going down and you're diligently notating your returns, you can just right click on it and it actually pulls up those client notes for you, which is a very cool utility. So that's what we wanted to share with you in the client list. Hopefully that was helpful. And we look forward to getting your feedback as to how we can better improve it in future years. Thanks so much.